Hi guys, and I made this like elevator thing with ketchup holders and straws. So it's like an elevator. I don't know what I could use it for. Maybe like we have like really small like Lego like people. You could like make a door in here. Like in here you could make a door so it could like go inside the elevator and stuff. But like I used straws and I like connected them. I kind of folded it and I put it in. So like this is how it works. You like kind of like push it up. So if you're making like a stop motion kind of thing with your Legos, you can just like move it, then take a picture, and move it, then take a picture, move it, take a picture. So what you do is first you take one of the ketchup holders and you start opening it up where these folds are, like over here. You just like pull on them and they open up to make these. So then you have to get two more ketchup holders and make a hole in the middle and then put them inside the straw. And put them in, and then put another one, then tape them together so it like closes. Then you can put those two opened ones on top like this. And you can make a door for your figures. Then you can like move it and stuff. It looks pretty bad, but you guys can probably make it like look better. You could use colored. I've seen colored ketchup holders. That's pretty weird, but you could use those. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.